with Shelly Can Help, and today I am going to show you how to make a healthy ice cream. And today we are making coconut banana ice cream without all of the added sugars. And bananas, as we know, are full of potassium, but they also help soothe the digestive tract. So if you have a stomach virus, bananas are actually good for your digestion. And then coconut milk is also in this recipe. And when you're buying your coconut milk in the can, you want to make sure that it's full fat. You don't want to get fat-free, because what happens is they're taking the good fat out of the can and they're putting something like cornstarch or something in it to make it thick again. So they're taking out the most important part of the coconut milk, the fat, and they're putting in crap back in. So I recommend getting full fat canned coconut milk because we need that fat. It's good fat. It's really good for our brains. So yeah, make sure you buy full fat coconut milk. So we are going to start off with 5 bananas. What I did was I cut them up and I put them in the freezer for about 3 or 4 hours and got them nice and frozen. And we're gonna put those in a high-speed blender. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 cups of full fat coconut milk. I love the way coconut milk looks when it's in the can. And I know how good it is for us, so I use coconut milk a lot in lieu of heavy cream. And then the last ingredient is a teaspoon of vanilla. That's it, guys. So now what we're gonna do is put the lid on it and we're gonna blend it away. I'm actually gonna put it on the smoothie option on my high-speed blender. If you have that option, go ahead and do that. I'll be right back. I'm just scraping down the sides and we're gonna blend it for about 30 more seconds. All right, now what we're gonna do, we have it all blended and we're just gonna pour it into our individual containers. If you like soft serve ice cream, it is ready to go. If you like it a lot thicker, you can just put it in the freezer for a little bit, check on it every 15-20 minutes, and enjoy. Kids will love this. Another thing that you can do, you can top it with your favorite fruits. You can drizzle it with chocolate. This is a 3-ingredient healthy ice cream that everyone in the family is gonna love.